Posts and pages don't fit everything: a real estate listing, a product, a movie review. Custom post types let you define an entirely new, first-class content type with its own admin screen. A real, small plugin, now active, its only job is registering one new content type, which is all a custom post type genuinely requires. A genuinely new movie reviews item now appears in the real admin sidebar, created entirely by the registration code that just activated. A genuinely separate real admin screen from regular posts, its own list table, its own add new button. The real block editor, now available for this entirely new content type, title, editor, and featured image, exactly as registered. A genuine, automatic archive page, reachable the moment the post type was registered, listing every published real movie review. One real movie review, rendered on the front end, stored in the exact same database table as regular posts, just tagged with a different post underscore type. Here's the real payoff. Every one of these screens is a genuine live page on this real WordPress site, not a mock-up. A genuinely new content type, with its own real admin menu and its own real archive page built from nothing but registration code. Try it yourself. Register a real custom post type in a small plugin and confirm its own admin screen appears.